Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change Windows 11 default password policy. Click on Windows logo. Click on All Apps. Drop down and find out Windows Tools. Click on Windows Tools. Double-click on Local Security Policy. Let's maximize it. Select and expand Account Policy. Select Password Policy. These are all password options, which can be changed by the administrator. The first option is Enforce Password History. This means, the Enforce Password History policy setting determines the number of unique new passwords that must be associated with a user account before an old password can be reused. If you do not also set minimum password age, users can change their password as many times in a row as necessary to reuse their original password. I will leave as default this option. Second option is Maximum Password Age. This means the maximum password age policy setting determines the period of time, in days, that a password can be used before the system requires the user to change it. You can set passwords to expire after a number of days between 1 and 999, or you can specify that passwords never expire by setting the number of days to 0. By default is 42 days. I will leave as default this option. Third option is Minimum Password Age. This means the minimum password age policy setting determines the period of time, in days, that a password must be used before the user can change it. You can set a value between 1 and 998 days, or you can allow password changes immediately by setting the number of days to 0. Let's double click on it. In my case, I am set 30 day of minimum password age. Click on Apply. Click OK. Fourth option is Minimum Password Length. This means set minimum password length to at least a value of 8. If the number of characters is set to 0, no password is required. In most environments, an 8-character password is recommended because it's long enough to provide adequate security and still short enough for users to easily remember. Let's double click on it. In my case I will set 3-character for minimum password length. Click on Apply. Click OK. Another option is Password Must Meet Complexity Requirements. This means a password that is made up of alphabets, symbols, and numerics is called a complexity password. By default it is disabled in password policy. If you want to enable it, you can enable it by double-clicking on it. In my case I will leave as default. Close Local Security Policy. Close Windows Tools. Right-click on Windows logo and select Run. Type GP Update then press Enter. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. Expand Local Users and Groups. Select Users. Right-click on Users and select New User. Fill user information. Fill password. Fill Confirm Password. Click Create. As you can see, it will showing error of password does not meet the password policy requirement. I was set 2-character password at the time of user creation for checking purpose, that's why it's showing error. Click OK. Now this time I will set 3-character password. Fill Confirm Password. Click Create. Click Close. See, our user is created, with no error showing. As you know I was choose minimum 3-character in password policy. In today's video you learned how we changed the default password policy of Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.